Hey everybody, it's a new day, so it's time for a new look. I hope that you all liked the last look, the drag-inspired makeup. I really enjoyed doing it. Today it's going to be a little more simpler, and I am going to be working with these three first shades in the Electric Violet edition of the Rimmel London Magnif'eyes. I have used these colors before. It wasn't filmed when I very first got the palette. But they're really pretty, and I'm gonna go with these three right here. Also today while filming, I'm gonna do an A and Z, all about me, and so throughout filming I'll say a letter, and with that letter I'll give a word that I feel like describes me, just so you as my subscribers or anyone that's watching this can get a better sense of who I am and what I'm like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting some primer on, start getting ready, and we'll jump into the look. A, annoying. No, not really. Ambitious. B, boring. No, really brave and beautiful. C, compassionate. D, dime, because, well, I'm a dime. E, evil. No, excited. F, fun. G, gangster. Growing, because I feel like each and every day I'm growing as a woman, as an individual. H, happy. I, introvert. J, jolly, because it's Christmas time and I'm super jolly this year. K, kind. L, limber, like my husband told me I was last night. Just kidding. Loyal. M, mysterious. A mother. N, needy. O, optimistic. P, President 2020. Q, Queen. R, radiant and real. S, Shelby. T, tired all the time. U, unique. V, victorious. W, wishful. X, extra. Y, youthful. All these wrinkles. Z, zealous. That's A to Z, all about me. So this wraps up today's look. Today is look 8 out of 30 that I am going to be doing with this and this. The Rimmel London Magnif'eyes Jewel Rocks and Electric Violet Edition. So we have 21 looks left to go. Hopefully you guys like the A and Z, all about me. Let me know, tell me a little bit about yourself down in the comments. If you like the video, then hit the thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to make sure you get notifications. That way you know when I'm posting new stuff, because you know you want to see all of this, right? All right, I love you guys. Bye.